The next generation of Super Serum foundations has arrived. My inspiration for creating this latest amazing Super Serum foundation was not only the fact that we are so time poor and so busy these days and we need something on the go. Not only did I create a formula that is absolutely divine to use on the skin, but I've infused it with one of the most powerful collagen building ingredients on the marketplace today. It's known as Syncol. What it does, in the clinical trials, it's shown that Syncol's capable of reducing and changing the type and aspect of wrinkles that add years to your appearance. It has its own unique sequence to mimic the human body's own mechanism to produce collagen via tissue growth factor fluid. And it has this amazing new Rubicell puff that we use to apply it. It picks up only enough product, it layers and builds onto your skin to cover even the heaviest of imperfections and give you the lightest of coverage. So it really acts like a second skin. And what that means for you, collagen's going to be synthesizing while you've got your foundation on. It's incredible. You will love the finish, and the invisible benefits are going to be your long-term benefits.
I find it so hard to find a natural looking foundation that protects me from the sun. And I feel so natural during the day and so glamorous at night. Thank you, Mirenesse.
I want a foundation that soothes and moisturizes my redness.
My skin looks dewy and my redness is covered. I'm in love with my tan.
I've never found a foundation that gives me enough coverage. Finally found my coverage. I feel amazing.
I really want a long-lasting foundation that's easy to apply. I really love my Collagen 10 foundation. It lasts all day and I feel really confident in my own skin.